Is your Mercedes GLB's alarm system going off randomly? You're not alone. Many owners of GLB models from 2019 2024 have reported this issue, often related to the interior motion sensor, tilt sensor, or bonnet switch. First, consider recent software updates. Mercedes-Benz has released several patches, especially version 6.2.1, that recalibrate sensor sensitivity. Ensure your GLB has the latest software, either through an over-the-air update or a dealership visit. A voluntary recall was also issued for certain models due to faulty bonnet switches. Check if your vehicle is affected via the Mercedes-Benz website using your VIN. If software isn't the fix, examine the sensitivity settings for the interior motion sensor in your vehicle's settings menu under Vehicle Security. Adjusting these can prevent false alarms from minor movements. Also, inspect the bonnet switch for any signs of corrosion or misalignment, as this can falsely indicate an open hood. This is important to avoid frustration, as well as police callouts. If basic adjustments don't resolve the issue, consider environmental factors like strong winds or vibrations that could trigger the tilt sensor. In seismic areas, recalibrating the tilt sensor threshold might help. For persistent cases, a system reset may be required using the key fob or professional tools like Mercedes Zentry software to clear error codes such as C1180. Looking ahead, Mercedes invests in software-centric fixes and AI-driven diagnostics to predict sensor failures. Hybrid and electric GLB models show fewer issues due to improved sensor integration. Future MX updates promise enhanced sensor fusion technology to reduce false alarms. If you're still experiencing problems, consult a certified Mercedes technician for personalized advice and specialized solutions.